What up, Smart Rapper Gang? In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize your album artwork so that you can put it onto any web, Apple Music, Spotify, wherever you want to put it at. Because I remember every time I would go to upload an album, it was annoying to figure out how to resize it. So I'm going to show you 3 steps, boom, 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 less than 30 seconds, how you can resize any artwork. So I'm going to take this and then you'll be able to put that up. And the reason why might as well do this is I have to do it right now. And I remember how many times I've had to do this. Because sometimes you'll have an artwork you like, but you don't know how to resize it fast enough. And it seems simple, but it can be complicated for some people.
He ain't lying.
I'm Rob Level, a successful music artist that's been rapping for over 10 years. I've been posted everywhere from Complex to TMZ. I've had label deals, charted top 100, written songs for major artists with Grammy winners. On here, I teach you everything I learned in the music business. So as I learn, you get to learn too. This is Smart Rap.
So right now I'm actually re-uploading an old project and I'm gonna make another video showing you if your songs were taken down by Spotify or they got deleted because you couldn't afford to keep them up, which just happened. I'm gonna show you how to put them back up and keep your streams. That's a different video. So let's just do this really quick. So when you want to make and put a new project up on Distrokid, CD Baby, whatever you use, Tunecore, whatever you use, it has to be 1600 by 1600, okay?
Wow.
That has to be the dimensions of it. So what I'm doing is I'm back with my old songs. I'm going in here and I'm looking, okay, I wanna re-upload this, but the freaking file size is 1200 by 1200. That's gonna get rejected by the stores if I attempt to do that. Seriously, it'll reject your song. So all you have to do is this. You take it, and if you're on Windows, whatever you're on, this is stupid easy, okay? You right click it, all right? You click edit, it'll open it in Paint, okay? So we can see this is 1200 by 1200. Okay, we look down here, see that? What you're gonna do is, seriously, Paint, all right? Paint, yes, Paint.
Who?
Click File, click Properties, and that's gonna bring this up, and it's gonna allow you to change the overall size of your, not palette, your canvas, okay? And you're gonna go here, 1600, 1600, okay? So that's gonna make, watch what's gonna happen, all right? It's gonna do this, all right? But first what you're gonna do is this, all right? I'm gonna show you what that would do. I'm gonna undo, I'm gonna hold Control, press A, and that's gonna select all, all right? Which you should be able to do inside of the menu up here. But either way, I use Control A so often. So Control A, and you see it highlights it a little bit. Let me pull up on it. See it highlights it? I'm gonna highlight it, then I'm gonna click right, I'm gonna click copy. Then I'm gonna go, step 2 is the actual turning this to 1600 by 1600. Okay, then I'm gonna hold Control, or I'm gonna press right click and I'm gonna click paste. It's gonna paste that as 1200 by 1200. Now don't unclick it, and you're gonna click resize up here at the top. Then you're gonna click pixels, and you click 1600, and it's gonna maintain the aspect ratio, so it's gonna stay square. You click OK, boom, and then file, save, done. That's it, okay? Control A to copy it, change the canvas size to 1600 by 1600 so it'd be the right size, paste it, and then resize it. That's it, 4 steps. And seriously, if I wouldn't explain that, it would have been 30 seconds. So I just wanted to give that to you guys and girls so that you have the ability to do that anytime you need to, because I know how many times I've needed to do it. Now in the other video, I'm going to show you how to re-upload your project if it's been taken down. Let me show you an example. I think I have Spotify up here. My old project. Oh, let me look for it. So here's what I'm talking about here, right? My old songs got taken down for Spotify, right? Now this is one of my projects from a long time ago. This came out in 2013, but this got removed in like 2017. I'm gonna show you how right now. I'm gonna go in the next video that I'm putting on the channel, and I'm gonna re-upload all these songs, and I'm gonna keep all the streams. All the hundreds of thousands of streams these songs had, I'm gonna get to keep them because I'm gonna show you how to link this song with the original ISRC code. So when it re-uploads, Spotify will sync it, the song will get re-uploaded, and it'll keep all of its streams, okay? And this means that if you bought promotion from a bad company, which is what happened here with me. And this is why I don't do promotion for any companies anymore, because I know they all use boosterboss.com. I bought promotion in 2017 and they got my album removed. And this probably happened to a lot of you, especially when they did the huge wipe about a year ago. But the good news is that I'm gonna show you another video how we can do that. But first you're gonna need that, you're gonna need your project. You're gonna need this in order to do that. So that's why I'm showing you here, and I think some people might need it. So I'm Rob Level from Smart Rapper. Hit me with a subscribe, hit me with a like, hit me with a comment, any other videos you need, let me know. All right, and I'm gonna start on the next video and show you what I'm about to do, because it's more of an inside industry trick. Most people don't know that you can do this. So keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.
They be asking me like, Rob, how'd you make it high? Chasing music as a job without suicide. I'm old, it made the money make me blind, cause all I see is pain when I'm inside. Then they say to me like, Rob, so your Jekyll high.